experiencing an outage due to a cyber attack. It isn't known where these attacks originated from, or the suspect or suspects behind these attacks. If you need emergency services, dial the Pittsburgh Police Department at 412-255-2827. To repeat, the Pittsburgh Police Department can be reached by calling 412-255-2827. In addition, it is also being reported by the Pittsburgh Department of Cybersecurity Agency that other online services are currently experiencing outages as well. These include online banking, social media, phone lines, cell service, and internet services. It is highly recommended that